Good day, everybody. Trust you guys are well on this beautiful day. We're heading into the last days, I should say, the last month of October, then it's November, then it's December. And this struck me that many people go through life and they don't know what to do. But today, I came with a word of encouragement. You need to dream again. Dream again that you will have that house. Dream again that you will have that car that you prayed for. Dream again that your son will get saved. Dream again that your daughter will get off from drugs and things will turn in your favor. A dream is an indication that God is still speaking. A dream is an indication that it's going to happen for you. Despite what they throw at you, despite the criticism, despite a lot of things in your life, dream again. It may not be easy, dream again. The dream is just an indication that God is still going to perform a miracle, that God is still going to do it in your life. I'm here to tell somebody watching this, you need to dream again. Dream that you see yourself flying. Dream that you see yourself in that new position in your workplace. Dream again. We moet not worry, but you need to dream again. I'm here to tell somebody and let them know you need to dream again. You shall dream again. And things are turning around. This may be the end of October, but the dream is certain that God is surely going to do it. God is surely a God of His word and of His promises. I'm reminded by Joseph, he had a dream, and his friends and his family didn't believe him. You may feel like a Joseph when you dream, but surely your dreams will come to pass. Your dreams will come into manifestation. It shall come into manifestation, and you need to believe it, and you need to know it, that you will dream again, and it shall come to pass. It shall come into manifestation. You must not let the enemy minister to you and believe that your dreams shall not come to pass. Dreams shall come to pass. A dreamer will not stop dreaming. The scripture was clear. I will pour my spirit on all flesh. Your sons and your daughters shall prophesy, and your young men shall see visions, and your old men shall dream dreams. Not just your old men, the generation of today, they shall dream, and everything shall come to pass. I'm here to tell somebody, don't believe a word of the enemy. Don't believe what they say, but I feel prompt to tell them, you shall dream again. You shall dream again. Can I have that in the comment section, please? You shall dream again. It's not easy, but keep on dreaming. And it shall come into manifestation. I will say it. The indication of your dreams is meant to say that it shall still come to pass. I'm here to let somebody know. Dream again. Dream that you will see yourself in a new position. Dream that it shall come to pass. It may not look like it, but I'm here to tell you, you shall dream again. You shall dream. When you see yourself dreaming of that God, believe it and it shall come to pass. I will say it. If you dream that you see your family in your own house, dream it, it shall come to pass. It's not easy, but keep on believing. Keep on pushing. And now, your dreams shall come true. Your dreams shall come into manifestation. I'm here to tell somebody, I like what that person is saying. You shall dream again. You shall dream. A statement, one man of God says, dream big in small places. If you see it, you shall have it. Let your dreams come into manifestation. Many people around you shall not believe it, but the moment when your dreams come into manifestation, they shall be surprised. They will be amazed because of what God is doing and what He's still doing. I'm here to tell somebody hearing me under the sound of my voice, the end of October, heading into November. The end of October, we're heading into November. You shall dream. You shall dream. When your dreams shall come to pass. It's not easy, it's difficult. And I will say it again, never let the enemy minister to you. And believe that your dreams shall not come to pass. That's the plan of the enemy. But I'm here to tell you, your dreams shall come to pass. If you believe that your dream is you will fly over to another city, you will live your best life, believe it, and may the Lord give you that dream, a dream God speaks in dreams. God speaks in dreams. I'm not here to say a negative dream, but I'm here to say think a